Today we're going to be talking about how to use the Robotiq Gripper with the AUBO i5 collaborative robot. Once you've connected the gripper, you can go to Extensions on the tabs at the top. Under Peripheral on the left, select Gripper. This will take you to a settings page for your gripper. To connect to the gripper, click Connect. The Active Gripper button should then become available. Push this and the gripper will be ready for use. You should see the gripper close and then open again. You can also go to the About tab and you'll see an instructions page on how to use the gripper with the robot. You can also go to the Control tab and you'll have settings to open and close the gripper outside of a program. Now the gripper is connected, we can add the gripper into our program. To see how we wrote this program, watch our video on how to program an AUBO i5. Now the gripper has been connected, we can add it to our programs. I've loaded up a previously written program. I've left spaces between the moves where I can put in the grippers. Similarly to a move or a waypoint, click on the gripper in the program tree to change its parameters. When you click on the gripper, you will see that you can set the gripper ID to match when you are setting the gripper up. You can also adjust the force, speed, and position of the gripper. These values are purposed for this demonstration. There is also a block button. If this is ticked, it will stop the robot moving until the gripper has finished its motion. Click Confirm when you're happy with the gripper controls. I then copy and paste the gripper controls to avoid repeating the same bits of program. And now your program is ready to run. And that's how easy it is to use the Robotiq Gripper with the AUBO i5 collaborative robot.